Welcome, this is Jamb year 2015 government past question. Question number 18 says, a major innovation of the 1979 constitution was the dash. A major innovation of the 1979 constitution was the dash. The 1979 constitution came into being in the Second Republic or Second Republican. And it was the election that brought Shehu Shagari to office. So option A says increase in the constitutional powers of elected officials. B, creation of more states. C, prohibition of cross-carpeting. D, introduction of presidential system. And as you all know, Shehu Shagari was the first elected president in Nigeria. So the 1979 constitution introduced presidential system in Nigeria. Thank you and God bless you. Option E, D is correct.